Hey guys, it's Alex with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be installing our exhaust valve simulators. As you can see behind us, we already have the exhaust out. If you're unsure how to get there, please watch the exhaust installation video. Let's get to it. All right, so to start, we're going to need to remove this wire retainer clip here using a pry tool. And then these only plug in one direction. So you just plug them in, and it will get tucked above the trans. All right, next we're gonna do the MPP valves. Plug it in, safety clip, and then these you just zip tie up to the harness here. And then repeat that for the other side. And there you have it, simple install. These valve simulators will prevent the check engine light being on when you install a non-valved exhaust. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.